Hi, this is Jeff Abdu with Abdu Security. In this video, we're going to show you how to silence the trouble beeps on your alarm system. In this video, we're going to show you how to silence the trouble beeps your alarm panel is making. So you want to tap the screen to wake it up, tap on the yellow security, and then you want to tap on this yellow exclamation point in the triangle, and it's going to tell us what's causing the alert. In this case, we have an issue with the front door. You tap the OK button, we tap the home button, and now the trouble alerts have been silenced. After you've acknowledged the alert, that should resolve the issue, but if you have any other questions or problems, give us a call.